Right, in this video, we are going to add a camera. We are using the Cinemachine, so basically Cinematic Studio. If you do not have it, really simple one, just go to Window and Package Manager and click. If you can't find it, maybe it's in your project, you click Unity Registry, Cinematic Studio, just add it. Okay, right, add it. So if the first time add it will be, have a few minutes for load. Alright, so once you have done that, you can actually import this into your project. But because right now, we got like a basic ground using time map. We got all this like a movement, but we do not have a camera that can follow our player around. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. So we can attack. By the way, we can, yeah. So how to do that? Really simple. We just need to import it. So really simple. I think the default settings are already brilliant. Just need a Cinemachine, a 2D camera would be suffice. Okay, and yeah, we got a virtual camera here, and solo. Yeah, I guess there's so many of the things. We just follow our player. Just follow. Do not need to look and all that. Yeah. So let's play this. I think it's already pretty good. Hold on, importing asset. Okay, we got a walking camera. Okay, let me using a simulator. These guys can actually got this. Okay, and so it kind of sinking to the ground. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Let me just zoom it in so you guys can know it's working. So yeah, I think you got the idea. So the camera actually can follow our player. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. And by the way, if you want like a wall that you want the player to actually stick to it and scale it, you can do that really easily by using I don't know, maybe some like interaction like ground and wall or something like that. You just need to create it and paint it. But right now I do not have that specific tile map like actually draw, so I would just wait it, okay, until sometime later I'll be able to actually do that. Oh, it's like scale it. Pretty. What about fit screen? Yeah, fit screen. Play unfocused. What about play focused? Okay. Let's try this. iPad Mini 4. What about a phone? I would really love to test it on my phone. So what about iPhone? Okay, Pro Max. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Fit screen, no safe area, focused. Maximize. What about maximize? Yeah, that's focused. Okay, so got a. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I think maybe I need to like rotate this a little bit, like this. That's better. So I can rotate on the screen. Yeah, looks pretty good. And I got control here, control here. Okay, that's pretty good. I love this. Okay, pretty smooth. All that pretty good. I think I might as well just quickly get the time map of war to quickly test things. Right, so let's just add a wall maybe here. So wall and a wall. I have a wall here, and I'm going to use I don't know, maybe this will be serve as a wall. Okay, and going to make it like little bit more difficult, like continue going up wall. Okay, so let's quickly test this, because if it's got a wall. Oh well, I forgot you got all this collider on the wall or something. Yep. So I can just go through it. Sorry about that. So I should add rigid body. Did I add that? If I just got a composite collider 2D, automatically got rigid body, and also I'm going to add the composite collider. Yeah, tile map collider. So tile map collider 2D, used by the composite. Okay, so I already changed this to wall. Yeah. So let's quickly test the wall jump. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, I did not change that to static. This is dynamic. Okay. So it's influenced by the gravity and some like filtering gravity in the system, so it constantly like pull things down. Sorry about that. Let's test it out. Scale it. So, okay, there's the wall, and I'm going to dash. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm like stick to the wall. Let me zoom it in a little bit. So I'm stick to the wall. I can dash, going here, dash, going here, dash. Yeah, go through here. That's pretty good. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah. I'm still not too familiar with it. Okay, so this is not wall, so I can't stick to it. Okay, that's pretty good. So I can only got this wall like that. I can doing all this maneuver. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, pretty good. Everything's still working, and we add a working pile system here, and yeah, that's pretty good. I'm going to, of course, if you want to adjust the camera, like you can like zoom it in. I believe I already covered this part in my the intro series of Unity. Like I got this like gradually zoom in, something like that. So I don't want to cover that again. So if you're interested, you can go back to that. I'm going to quickly like actually use the background, okay, environment. I want to use the background that I just draw and to make a like a parallax background. So yeah, and in fact, I just remember I need to choose at least a 2 for the parallax. So I'm going to draw like a series of another castle. This is like a whole background of the story. I'm going to draw like a specific that the castle that you can't see the difference, you can't notice difference, and I'm going to do that. And so I have to like go back to my another channel called Learn Design to actually draw this. So if you're interested, you can just go to that channel to check it out. See you next video. Okay, thanks, bye.